In mid-July of 1994, major telescopes on Earth and in space were trained on Jupiter for what was expected to be one of the most significant astronomical events in history. A direct collision between a comet and a planet in our solar system. Geologist Eugene Shoemaker, astronomer Caroline Shoemaker, and amateur astronomer David Levy discovered the comet at the end of March 1993. From their perch atop Mount Palomar in Southern California, they monitored the night sky using a 60-year-old 18-inch telescope. The vintage instrument had perfect properties for spotting fast-moving objects. With it, the Shoemakers have discovered dozens of comets. Using a camera and exposures of 8 minutes, each picture can provide maximum clarity and image resolution. On the evening of the important discovery, high clouds threatened to ruin their efforts. But David Levy suggested they continue using damaged film that would otherwise have been thrown away. It was a decision that paid off. Caroline Shoemaker was assigned her regular tasks of examining the films of each evening's work. Using a stereo microscope to study 2 pictures of the same field taken 40 minutes apart, it became evident that something had been captured on film. The vague image turned out to be a chain of fragments that were formed when Jupiter's powerful gravitational field pulled a single comet apart as it passed by on an earlier near miss. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope was able to take these incredible images. While it was known when and where the comet would strike, it was unknown what kind of celestial fireworks would be witnessed. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology developed a model that showed the likely effect of the comet's impact on Jupiter's envelope of gases. The researchers postulated the effect on the clouds of ammonia gas would be similar to a rock falling into a still body of water. During the 6-day bombardment, major observatories all around the world studied the event. But as it occurred on the darkened side of the planet, scientists were expecting flashes of light to be reflected off Jupiter's nearby moons. The Galileo spacecraft, at this time en route to Jupiter, was well placed to deliver more detailed data about the cosmic collision and about the planet itself. The lessons offered by the comet have been ones of life and death. It has been proposed that a comet of similar intensity also struck our planet and brought about the massive environmental changes that killed off the dinosaurs. But of equal importance was the theory that the building blocks of life were seeded on Earth by a comet some 4.5 billion years ago. The force with which the series of comets impacted the surface of Jupiter generated some 100 million megatons of energy. Even today, scientists are studying how the planet, which is 1,000 times more massive than Earth, responded to the sudden and violent assault. The interest generated by the Shoemaker-Levy discovery, especially using such outdated equipment, has spurred a new generation of night sky watchers. All of them hoping for a discovery of similar importance to a little planet orbiting third from the Sun.